Keep this in mind. If you have food in your fridge, clothes on your body, a roof over your head, and a place to sleep, you're richer than 75% of people in the world. If you have money to spend as you wish and the freedom to go anywhere you want, you're among the top 18% of the world's wealthiest people. Furthermore, if you are alive today with more health than illness, you are more blessed than the million people who will not survive this week. Lastly, if you can read and understand this message, you are more fortunate than the 3 billion people in the world who cannot see, cannot read, and cannot access the knowledge and information that surrounds us. Life is not for complaining about pain and sorrows. It's about prioritizing the countless other reasons to be grateful and happy.